Okay, we're about to enter into the Grove Village, I think it is. What is it? Where do we get up? Oh. Look at this access point, it's a bit hard. Turn around. I guess that's what happens when they make properties that are not accessible by wheelchairs. Okay, here we go. Into the Grove shop. Grove Homemaker Centre it's called. Gym. Nice sized gym. We are now in the Grove Homemaker Centre. As you can see, there's one of four. No disabled bathrooms. Mind you, the floor is nice and even, smooth. So we'll just potter around a bit, have a look what it's like. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, they've got a little bowling alley inside here. Alright, for the kids. Bit of an entertainment quarter. Go over here and have a look and see the disabled bathroom in Dollar World. Kids play area. Escalators go down to the car park. Okay, let's go down and have a look to see if we can find a disabled bathroom. Over there. No disabled bathroom. There's two bathroom facilities in the centre, and both do not have a disabled bathroom. So let's have a look around and see if we can find another one. If not, I might have to go all the way back to the Westfield, Liverpool. Dollar World on the side. Okay, so that was weird. This centre should also be a homemaker, an outlet centre. But why would you travel all this way to do shopping Then you've got outlet shops in Homebush. Well, at least we've got one thing to be thankful for. There is no IKEA. I'm not sure about you, but I'm kind of over IKEA furniture. Yeah, no, definitely there is no disabled bathroom in the Grove Homemaker Centre. I'll keep looking, but unfortunately I do not see any signs for a disabled bathroom. Oh no, that says there is one. Just outside of Domain. So, let's look for Domain. Oh no, the toilet sign there, it only says male, female. But according to the map, there's a disabled bathroom. So, the toilets are coming up. Oh yeah. You got a key for it?
Yeah.